Probiotics are microorganisms found naturally in the stomach, intestines, and vagina. They are used to improve digestion and restore the normal balance of bacteria and yeast. Bifido Animal, Bifidum-Lactococ Lactis 3 billion cell oral powder pack is a probiotic that can be used to treat bowel problems, eczema, vaginal yeast infections, lactose intolerance, and urinary tract infections. You can find probiotics in foods like yogurt, milk, and juices, as well as in dietary supplements like capsules, tablets, and powders. It's important to check the label for information on the specific uses of the product you are using. As always, it's best to consult with your doctor or pharmacist for more details on the daily dosage and optimal timing for taking this supplement. Make sure to follow the instructions on the product package. Check the label to see if the dose should be swallowed whole, chewed, sprinkled onto food, or mixed with liquid. If you're using the liquid form, use a special measuring device to carefully measure the dose. Don't use a household spoon as it may not give you the correct dose. If you have any questions, ask your doctor or pharmacist. Some probiotic products may contain live bacteria, like bifidobacteria. If you're taking antibiotics, they may prevent these products from working well. Take any product with live bacteria at least 2 to 3 hours before or after taking antibiotics. Make sure to follow the directions for your specific product. If you're using this product for diarrhea caused by antibiotics, don't use it if you have a high fever or for more than 2 days, unless directed by your doctor. If your condition doesn't improve or gets worse, or if you think you may have a serious medical problem, seek medical help right away. If you experience an increase in stomach gas or bloating, it is important to notify your doctor or pharmacist. Serious side effects to watch for include signs of infection, such as a persistent cough, high fever, or chills. Although a serious allergic reaction to this product is rare, seek medical help immediately if you experience symptoms such as rash, swelling of the face, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. It's important to note that this is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you notice any other unusual effects, be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist. As always, it's important to consult your healthcare provider for any concerns or questions about taking this product. Before starting this oral powder pack, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist about any allergies you may have. This product may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions. If you have certain health conditions such as prolonged diarrhea, weakened immune system, recurring vaginal or urinary tract infections, it's important to consult your doctor or pharmacist before using this product. If you have diabetes, phenylketonuria, PKU, or any other condition that requires you to limit your sugar and aspartame intake, be cautious as the liquid products, foods, powders, or chewable tablets may contain these substances. It's best to seek advice from your doctor or pharmacist before using this product. Before undergoing surgery, remember to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. If you are pregnant, this product should only be used when clearly needed, so be sure to discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. If you are breastfeeding, consult your doctor before using this product. Now, let's talk about the recommended dosage and optimal timing for taking this oral powder pack. The daily dosage and best time to take this product will depend on your individual needs and medical condition. Be sure to follow the instructions given by your doctor or pharmacist for the best results. It's important to be aware of potential drug interactions when taking Bifido Animal, Bifidum-Lactococ Lactis 3 billion cell oral powder pack. Certain medications, such as antibiotics and antifungals, may interact with this probiotic. To ensure your safety, it's best to keep a list of all the medications and herbal products you are using and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Do not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. If an individual has taken too much of this medication and is experiencing severe symptoms like losing consciousness or difficulty breathing, it is important to seek immediate medical attention by calling 911. Alternatively, you can also contact a poison control center for assistance. In the U.S., residents can call their local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, while Canadian residents can reach out to their provincial poison control center. Make sure to attend all your medical and lab appointments as directed by your healthcare provider. In addition to Bifido Animal, Bifidum-Lactococ Lactis 3 billion cell oral powder pack. Some brands may also include other ingredients like fiber or inulin. If you have any questions about the ingredients in the specific brand you are using, be sure to consult with your doctor or pharmacist for clarification. If you forget to take a dose, take it as soon as you remember. If it's close to the time of your next dose, just skip the missed one. Take your next dose at the regular time. Don't take double the dose to make up for the missed one. This product is typically used once daily. Follow all directions on the product package for the most accurate information. When it comes to storing this probiotic, it's important to follow the instructions on the product package. Some may need to be refrigerated, while others should not be. If you're unsure, it's best to ask your pharmacist for guidance. And remember, always keep medications out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to disposing of this product, it's important not to flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless you're instructed to do so. Instead, properly discard it when it's expired or you no longer need it. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for the best way to do this. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.